Hello and welcome. In this video segment I'll continue to work through the geometry creation of this part. I'm going to use Xform Mirror to make copies of the two circles. To begin with, I'll mirror the two circles about the y-axis and then mirror the top set of circles about the x-axis to complete the bottom set of circles. So let's get started. I'm going to move up to the top of the screen and select Xform, and then third on the list I'm going to pick Xform Mirror. Now the first prompt on the screen, mirror select entities to mirror. I'm going to pick this small circle and then pick this circle. Now to move on to the next step, I'm going to slide up and click on the End Selection button. On the left, the Mirror dialog box shows up. Now starting at the top, I've got a copy activated, so that's great. And what I'd like to do is mirror about the y-axis. So I'm going to activate mirror about y-axis. And as you can see, as we've got the preview turned on, we have a preview of our mirrored entities. So everything looks great here. I'm going to move down to the bottom of this dialog box and click on the OK button. Next, I'm going to move up to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on Clear Colors. Now, the next part of this process is to mirror the top set of circles about the x-axis. So once again, we're going to go back into Xform, Xform Mirror. Now, I could just select these four circles, but what we'll do is we'll explore some other methods how we can capture these four circles. So what I'm going to be looking at is the General Selection ribbon bar. What I'm going to do is open up the selection settings, and these settings determine how the polygon and window selection method select entities. I'm going to leave it set to in. Now if we slide over to the right, I'm going to open up the selection methods and I'm going to keep it set to window. Now what I'd like to do is draw a window around these four circles. So I'm going to pick a point here, I'm going to drag down, and I'm going to pick a point here. And what Mastercam will do is capture everything within that window. And as you can see, it's captured them. Now to move on to the next step, once again, I'm going to move up to the top right hand corner and hit End Selection. Once again, the mirror dialog box appears. Now we've got it set to copy, which is perfect, and what we need to do now though is activate the x-axis. And as you can see on the screen, we have a preview of the finished product. Everything's looking good, so in the lower left corner I'm going to click on the OK button. One last thing, I'm going to move up to the top right corner of the graphic screen and click on Clear Colors. Now that completes this video. Thanks for watching.